Blake Lively just lost it after Justin Baldoni pulled off the boldest move of his career, one that left a stadium roaring and the internet melting. Blake snapped completely. What set her off? A simple joke by Coldplay's Chris Martin during their sold-out concert. The kiss cam landed on billionaire Andy Byron and HR boss Kristen Kit. The moment? Intimate, way too intimate. Chris Martin said what everyone was thinking. They're either having an affair or they're just very shy.
Yes, I think everyone has seen it. It was the kiss cam video seen around the world.
But behind that joke was something Blake never expected. Justin Baldoni stepping in, defending Coldplay, and standing up to the lies she helped spread. That was the last straw. Blake Lively didn't just panic, she spiraled. According to people close to the situation, Blake started frantically calling her PR team. She tried to get Justin's comments scrubbed from media reports. When that failed, she threatened legal action. But it was too late. The video went viral, and this time, Baldoni had the crowd on his side. Behind the scenes, Blake was already drowning in fallout. Her carefully crafted image cracked. Brand deals paused. One major fashion label cut ties hours after her failed attempt to shift blame. But what made things worse? Texts leaked. Messages where Blake tried to push the narrative that Justin was involved in the scandal, that he somehow encouraged the Coldplay crew to embarrass Andy and Kristen. It was a wild accusation and totally false. Meanwhile, Justin stayed quiet, but his legal team didn't. They presented emails and backstage footage showing Justin had nothing to do with the moment. In fact, he was miles away, rehearsing a charity segment the night the incident went down. Blake's plan backfired. Badly. Even the tabloids that usually praise her began asking hard questions. Why was she so desperate to bring Baldoni down? Why lie? And why now? Hollywood started pulling away. One producer even removed her from an upcoming Netflix deal, citing credibility issues. Executives aren't stupid. They know when someone's spinning a story, and Blake's web was unraveling fast. And it didn't end there. Kristen Kit, the HR exec caught in the kiss cam scandal, was reportedly furious. She quietly reached out to media insiders, threatening a tell-all. The bombshell? She claims Blake helped cover up Andy's behavior months before the concert. And she's got the receipts, emails, private texts, even voice memos. If Kristen drops that story, Blake's already shaky reputation won't survive the blow. By contrast, Justin Baldoni's star is rising. He didn't chase headlines. He didn't sue anyone. He just showed integrity, and the public saw it. Blake Lively, once seen as untouchable, is now clinging to what's left of her influence. She thought she could smear Justin Baldoni, but all she did was expose herself. In the end, she didn't ruin his career. She ended hers, because when your lies catch up to you on the world stage, there's nowhere left to run. And Blake, she's learning that the hard way. Whose side are you on? Justin Baldoni's quiet strength or Blake Lively's public breakdown? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're done with fake Hollywood drama, hit that like button and subscribe for the real truth. Uncensored, unfiltered, and always on point.